Hi! So I'll teach y'all an advanced trick in today's video. It's called helix. And here is the trick. Pretty cool, right? And here is a slow-mo. So here is a step-by-step. So this trick needs the Zen rollover to do this. If you haven't learned it, learn it first. First, we'll do a Zen rollover. And then we cut the momentum and take the index finger here. And you roll them over the index. You put the thumb and make a move like BT8B. Like an OK sign. I messed up here a bit. And you just twist your hand and roll them on or thumb. Tip, when you roll on the thumb, make your hand higher a bit. Twist your hand. And roll over. Oopsie. Lastly, you do a wrist pass and are done. So let's do a summary. Zen rollover. Put the index. Roll. OK sign. Roll. And wrist pass. Done. Hope y'all enjoy TS vid. Like and sub. Bye.